Um, so today you're gonna start section 4.1, rectangular coordinate. Sometimes people call it Cartesian coordinate. So right here, they call it Cartesian coordinate. Have you guys you guys learned this in high school, right? Yeah. Yeah. So that's why it's gonna be easy to get for you. No, it's algebra. It's kind of we represent algebra in geometric way kind of thing. You can graph your point. This is how people do math back in the day when they don't have notation. By the way, what we learned today is new. Notation, they don't come until I think 18th century or so, or 19th century. Is it 18 or 19? But yeah, if you look at the ancient book, it's all words. And we come up with notation, which is just way much better. It's shorter in mathematics. All right, so let me introduce you the Cartesian coordinate or rectangular coordinate. So we have the x-axis and the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical one, and the x-axis is the horizontal one. The point in the middle, 0, 0, what's it called? The origin, right? The origin. 0, 0. Sweet spot, yeah. Sweet spot. And we have 4 quadrants. So first quadrant is quadrant 1. I'm going to denote Q1. And then we're going to go counterclockwise. So it will be quadrant 2. Let me move this guy down a little bit. And this will be quadrant 3. And the last one is quadrant 4. So 0, 0 is my origin. To the right of 0, we talk about the x-axis, it's going to be a positive value. To the left of 0 will be negative, right? We're on the number line. Same thing with the y-axis, the vertical axis. Below 0 is negative, above 0 is positive. I think of y as the height. Y the function, right? Think of it as your height, or the function's height. So what size is going to be in quadrant 1? Now we have x coordinate and y coordinate. So if I give you a point, it looks like this. Parenthesis x comma y. So x comes first and then y comes second. So in the quadrant 1, what's the size in the quadrant 1? And no, the size. I'm just talking about the size. It's gonna be positive for the x-axis, for x coordinate, or negative? Positive for the x coordinate, and then also positive for the y coordinate. Okay. 2 coordinates make up a point. Quadrant 2, what about the sign in quadrant 2? Good, negative, positive. Quadrant 3. And the last one? Yeah, positive, negative. Yeah, yeah, x come first. Yeah. That's it. I think that's all the actually I have one more thing. The x-intercept and the y-intercept. So if I have some function, you don't write this down because somebody in the background, can you mute yourself? Thank you. So you can write this down because I'm gonna erase this. If I have a function, it look like this. Maybe just like this. It cut. If you take a look, it cut the x-axis at this point, and we're gonna call this called the x-intercept. At the x-intercept, I have the x bar value, but what is the height? What is the y value? Yeah. No, x is something here. You can't tell because it's negative 5 or 5, but that's x. Okay. It could be any number. I don't care. But what the y value? Y value is gonna be. It's gonna be like that middle. 0, right? So there's no height. There's no height, right? Right there, the function is flat. There's no height. What about here? What about this guy? Well, is there an x value? Is there a width? Yeah, the x will be 0 because there's no width. Remember, the x you go left or right, right? But since it's right there at the sweet spot, there's no width, right? Yeah, thank you for that. It's catchy. I like it. Well, the y is just y. It could be anything. Depend how you eyeballing it. And those guys, they call this one, they call the x-intercept. X comma 0, x-intercept. And this one, they call the y-intercept. Write it down because I'm going to erase it. I need it later. I need the little rectangular coordinate picture. I'm gonna erase this. All right, let's plot some point. A24, 2 comma 4. So you go right 2 unit and you go up 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Right there. That's my point A. 4 2. You go what? You go right what? 4, right? And then you go up 2. Negative 2 1. What quadrant is gonna be negative 2 1? Yeah. So you go west 2, go north 1. So that's your C. It's gonna be in quadrant 2. Negative 3, both are negative, so it's gonna be in quadrant 3. Go south 3, or let's go west 3 first, and then go south 3. That's D. And then you can plot the rest. It's not that bad, right? 5, negative 4, right 5, down 4, right here. 5, negative 4, that's E. And then F, negative 5, 0. X is negative 5, but there's no height. What's it called? What? Yeah, the x-intercept, right? So let me put a little note here. This is the x-intercept. 0 0. That's the origin right there. The sweet spot. 0 5 8. Oh, what a number they give you. 5 8 roughly. So this one is 0 comma 5 divided by 8 roughly 0.6 something. I don't remember. 0.6 something. So 0 is your x is 0, but the height is 0.6. The height is 0.6, so roughly here. That's h. Roughly there. And then 2 0. Right there, right above G. Because 0 points and then comma 0.6. And then J 2 0. Again, another x-intercept. You can do yourself. You don't have to look at my thing. So far, so good. Yeah, it's just introduction to rectangular coordinate or Cartesian coordinate. Now, why do we do this? Because remember what I said. I'm gonna give you an algebraic equation, and then you can plot point, because like a geometric way of showing algebra.
Miss Tran,
yes.
you go up real quick so I can take a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So if I give you a linear function, what linear mean? When I say linear, what does that mean? What's the line mean in terms of no, okay, never ending, but what the equations like? What's the degree? What's the degree? What's the highest degree it can have? Linear. When I say linear, or somebody say linear, means the first degree, right? First degree. Everybody have first degree. If it's second degree, we call it what? Quadratic, right? If it's third, will be cubic. So when I say linear, I mean you think about first degree, which is the simplest one. Well, the simplest one will be constant. This is a number. Okay, so I have ax equal by equals c. Now, from this equation, you can solve for the y equal mx plus b. You don't have to know it now. I'm just saying this beforehand. You might learn this the next lecture, but right now, just the FYI, okay? Just an FYI. Cos AB has to be not equal to 0, otherwise not gonna work.
So that formula is also that formula.
Yeah, you can solve for y, right? Remember we say y is a function of x? But don't worry about this now. I'm just telling you beforehand so you can see it next time. But don't worry about the mx plus b thing, just the FYI. So what the equations say is the left-hand side equal the right-hand side. So you have to find the order pair xy such that when you plug it in, the left-hand side better be c. That's what they say. That's what they meant. So let's check it out. Let's check out some of the example. I have y equal x, and I'm given 3 points, A, B, C. The first point is 0, 0. So what do I do with the 0, 0? Well, 0, 0, that's your x and your y, right? What you do, you're gonna plug it in. You plug it in. So y is what? Y 0, x is also 0. Is it equal? Yes. Yes. So if it equal, then yes, it's a solution. Yeah. 0, 0 is a solution. So it is. All you do is you testing it to see if it's a solution or not. How do you do it? Look into the equation they give you. Okay. The second point, I have -4 and then 4. -4 is your x, so -4 on the left here, on the right here, and 4 is your y. Are they equal? No. So -4, 4 is not a solution. At least for the equation y equal x. What about 15, 15?
Yeah.
Yes. It is a solution. So far, so good. Yeah. Okay. It's not too bad. Let's do number 3. You guys do number 3. Let's do number 3 real quick. How about 0? Oh, I have y equal -x. Let's plug it in. Y is 0. Is your x, is your y. 0, and then the x is -0. What's 0? What's -0? It's still 0, right? Yeah, so yes, it is a solution. What are -4, 4? Bless you. Again, y equal -x. Y is 4. And I'm gonna put the parenthesis. I'm gonna put the negative and then the parenthesis there for you. So x is -4. X is -4. So be careful when you plug it in. The negative is kind of a little bit tangling. So 4 equal 4, yes. Yes, so yes. Because y equal -x, yeah. So I have to preserve that -x there. So I'm just gonna say negative and then parenthesis. And then I can plug whatever value x they give me. Yeah. This one, if you want it, you can write it at y equal -1 times x. Does it make it a little bit clearer? Yeah. Yeah. And then x is -4. So -1 times -4 is +4. What about 15? Yeah, so y is 15. I'm sorry, and x is -15. So nope. You guys do number 4. I'm gonna walk around, see how you do it. Okay. My home audience, I want you to put the answer in the chat for number 4. Just in the order ABC. So it's just like yes, no, no, yes, stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So here, let me do it again. I have y equal -1 times x. Yeah. What's y equal? What's y here? 15. And what's x? Also, x is +15, right? So 15 equal -1 times 15 is -15. So 15 is not equal to -15, so no. Mhm. Good. You gotta do number 4. I'm gonna go around and check. See how you do. Wow, I thought it's I was confident. Oh, I was overconfident. All right, thank you. Thank you, Sade. Thank you, Allison. Let me pick on someone. Anaya, you out there? Safa. Safa, okay, you're not complete. Anaya, you out there? Maybe I should take attendance. Alex, you out there? Thank you, Gofran. That's correct. Oh my God, nobody's there. Maybe I shouldn't let you guys do Zoom then.
Nobody has Zoom?
No, there's a bunch of people at Zoom, but they're not paying attention.
Oh.
Let's pick you up here. Niha, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Thank you, Niha. Rachel? Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Sarah. Shanera, Takela, Trinity, Trisha, thank you. Rachel, good. Then there, go from there, Trisha. Justin. Allison there. Angelina. Thank you, Allison. Right, Sade, what is the solution? Do you have one?
For which number?
Oh, yes.
Which shirt are you talking to?
Number 4. You guys did not listen.
I did before.
By
I
asking
put it
me
in the
that question, I
chat.
know that you're not listening.
I put my
all right,
answer
so
in the
let's
chat.
move on. I thought it was easy, but if you're not listening,
Oh,
it
sure.
may becomes hard. Okay, I have x equal minus 3y. Let me write here. For the value of x and y, I'm going to replace with parentheses. Okay, so it's going to be parentheses minus 3 times parentheses equal -8. Well, I don't know if equal or not. So I'm going to put the question mark there. What is the value for x? -8. What's the value for y? 0. See, if you do it like this, you never make you're less likely to make mistake. So -8, -3 times 0, 0 is equal to -8. So yes, right? So we say that yes, -8, 0 is the solution to that equation. Solution. You have to conclude your answer. -4, 4, what you got? No? Okay, let's check it out. So x is -4, y is 4. So I have -4 minus 12 is -4 minus 12 is -16. It definitely not equal to -8. So no. -4, 4 is not the solution to that equation. What about the last one? Yeah. So x is -6. Leave 2/3. You can leave 2/3 like that. 2/3. Why? Look at that, because it's gonna cancel with the what? The 3, right? So this one, one on top, one on the bottom, they cancel. So I have -6 minus 2. Is it -8? Yeah. Yeah. So yes, -6, 2/3 is the solution. How you feel? Is it a bit better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. All right, you try one. You try one. Give me a second. I gotta. This is my phone. I didn't print it out. I should have printed it out. My phone in my back pocket. The equation is 3x minus 2y equal -6. And I'm gonna give you one more point. The new point is 4/3, comma, 5. So same thing, I want you to check those 3 points is which one is the solution to the purple equation. This class is, we have two population. One is doing very well, one's not doing very well, and I'm concerned. Well, we have some in the middle, but not many. For my morning class is more like average. Like people like, we have the last exam was 75 was the average. We was 58. So you see, so we have some folk doing very well, some folk doing not very well. They're a bit more like equality in the morning class. So so I hope the next exam we don't have such a gap anymore. Try to close that gap.
I'm confused. If I can eat, like, what's the question?
Oh, same thing with like number 4. Same thing. You check, you put it in the equation to see the equation solution or not. So the one A, B, C, D that you see on Moodle, those are solutions. You just pick one of them. Oh.
I need this one. Oh, yes. Thank you. No, I didn't know that. Yeah. Yeah, it's the problem. Oh, sweetie.
All right, objective 3. Now they give you, well, now they give you one of each. So here they give you either X or Y, and then you have to create out the remainder. So given the equation 3x minus 7y equal 21. Let me highlight that. Maybe I'll highlight in red, in green. Yeah. So that's the given equation. And they give you one of each. So let me label them. I'm gonna call this is point A, point B, and point C. The equation in green there, whenever I see X or Y, I may replace with a parenthesis. Okay, so let's see, I have 3 times X. For part A, do they give you X or Y? X, right? So I'm gonna replace X with a parenthesis. Why? Because I'm looking for Y. I'm gonna leave it as letter. Negative minus 7y equal 21. And now X is -1. You just plug in the -1 there. The -1. Just plug it in there. Okay. And now you solve for Y. Okay. So -3 minus 7y equal 21. Add 3. I have 7 minus, oops, I want a red. Minus 7y equal 24. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel. I have y equal 24 over -7. You can move the negative up or down, don't matter. So on the point A, I have x is -1, y is 24 over -7. And they want you to give it in point. So x comma y, so it's gonna be -1, comma 24 over -7. You guys get the gist, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just plug one in and to create out the other. All right. The second one is, again, I'm gonna, let's see, 3x is what I'm looking for. So it's gonna be 3x minus 7 times parentheses equal 21. So the parentheses I'm gonna replace with 4, right? That 4 right there. So 3x minus 28 equal 21. Add 28 both sides. That's cancel. 3x equal 49. Divide both sides by 3. X equal 49 over 3. And don't stop there. You have to fill in the little table on the left. So X is 49 over 3. And then complete the point. The point will be X first. So 49 over 3, comma 4. Sorry, my 4 look like a 9. Here's 4. What you get for last one? Good. X is what I'm looking for. So 3x minus 7. Y is 0. 0. So 3x equals 21. X equals 4 divided by 3. X equals 7. So 7 comma 0. What's 7 comma 0 called? Do you remember? What
Sweet
is-
spot, I mean,
No.
intercept. Oh my God.
Yeah, what intercept? Y or X?
Sweet,
X, right? Because Y is no height there, so it's gonna be X intercept. Just FYI. Yeah. Give you a second to copy that down. For those of you finished, try to do number 6. Number 6. Again, I'm gonna call A, B, C so I can refer them easily. Good. Y equal they give you all they give you all X. So negative 2, 7 times parenthesis plus 4. Parenthesis is 0. Ooh, 0, 0 times anything 0. So Y equal 4. So be 0, 4. What this thing called? 0, 4 is, yeah, the Y-intercept. Just FYI, you don't have to write that down. I just want you to recognize it. X is 7. X is 7 in black. Let's see. Y equal negative 2, 7 times 7 plus 4. 7 there. What happened to the 7 on top and 7 on the bottom? Yeah, they cancel. Y equal negative 2 plus 4. Y equal 2. So 7 comma 2. What you got for Y on the last one? Good. So 14 divided by 7 is 2 on the top. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Plus 4 is 0. So I have 0 here. 14 comma 0. What 14 comma 0 call? Yeah, X-intercept. You try to. The equation is 5x. I'm sorry, no. X plus 5y equal 10. X plus, yeah. Thank you, Allison. 8. I'm not sure which one you refer to. 420. Let me see what she got. 42. Thank you, Allison, still. I assume you guys finish. All right, objective 4. Find the solution to linear equation in two variables. So here they don't give you nothing at all. They ask you to come up with two solution. I'm sorry, 3 solution, a pair each. And everybody have different opinion. For me, I like 0. I don't know about you. I bet it's gonna be your favorite soon. So for the equation negative 2x plus 3y equals 6, I want to come up with 3 solutions. So let me come up with the first one. The first solution. I'm gonna choose x equals 0. You can choose anything you like. Doesn't have to be 0, but I like it because it's make it simple. When x equals 0, what happens to the so negative 2 times 0, yeah, plus 3y equals 6. 3y equals 6. Divide both sides by 3, y equal 2. See, that's why I like 0. Now the point is 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. The second solution, again, you can pick anything you like. Don't have to pick what I picked. I'm gonna choose y equals 0. I don't choose 0 for x again. So now I have negative 2x. Yeah. Now you're gonna do y 0 now. So I have negative 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. Well, 3 times 0 is 0, so it's just negative 2x equals 6. Divide both sides by negative 2, x equal negative 3. So I have negative 3 comma 0. Somebody pick me for the last one. Somebody pick the last one.
X equals 3.
Good. You want so this area choose x equal 3. Plug it in. So negative 2 times 3 plus 3y equals 6. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 plus 3y equals 6. Add 6. So what do I have? Yeah, add 6. I don't have enough room, so I do that. Add 6. I have 3y equal 12. Divide by 3. Y equal 4. So if I write it in point, it'll be 3 comma 4. Yep. You do number 8. I'm gonna walk around, see how you do number 8. Again, pick anything you like, as long as it makes your life easy. Uh-huh. Say it again. Or you can choose x equal negative 3 if you want. Anybody choose different one. Yeah, a number you want. As well. Yeah, they all independent. Somebody else may choose x equal 2. Oh, oh, I see why you should say that.
Yeah.
Because zero and
I
then,
noticed
yeah.
that later.
Maybe I shouldn't do that. But they're independent. Excuse me. Just at the end, I want you to write in point. Say like something comma. Parentheses, something comma something. Any number. You might have a different answer than that. If you get to a different point, which is not wrong, just. That's what people have. Right. But as long as you do the same way that I do. Oh, no.
If X, yeah.
Did someone choose y equals 0? All right, good. Good. Okay, that's, yeah, I'm gonna choose that next. So y equals 0, what happened? X minus 2/3 times 0 equal 4. Well, 0 times anything is just 0, so it's just x equal 4. So what the final answer here? 4, 0. Good. What about this? Someone else pick what? Okay. So it's gonna be 0 minus 2/3 y equal 4, or just minus 2/3 y equal 4. How do I get rid of the negative 2/3 on the left-hand side? Yeah, multiply by the reciprocal. So let me put the parenthesis here. So reciprocal will be what? What? Close. No, no, no. The reciprocal. What's the reciprocal? Negative 3/2, right? Negative 3/2. Yeah, sorry. Is that what you said? Oh, you know, let me pick a different color because I can't see. Just gonna pick a different color because it's can't see. All right, negative 3/2. Can you see now? Sorry. Just right there. So on the left-hand side, they reciprocal, so they just equal 1, right? So y equal 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So I got 0, comma, negative 6. And then I'm gonna pick for the third solution. Good. Y3. Oh, no, 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 not X, not X. Choose. Again, there's no wrong answer, but I'm gonna choose y equal 3. Why do I choose y equal 3? Yeah, it cancels out that denominator, right? That's why I say choose something that make your life easy. Right? Over 1. So this cancel. X minus 2 equal 4. Add 2. X equal 6. So 6, comma 3. Does anyone have a question? No. All right. Let me give you, you try 3. Let me give you the you try 3. The equation is 6x plus y equal 5.
Progress.
After you finish, you try 3. I want you guys to do number 11 and number 13. And then show me your work and then you can leave. Yeah. 11 and 13. Yes. Yeah. You pick a number again, just like I did in number
What about the
8
people on
or
Zoom?
7.
What about the people on Zoom?
My homie, after you finish, you try 3. I want you guys to do number 11 and number 13. And please put your answer in the chat privately. Then you may leave.
It's
11 and 13. You can, Joe, you can go to Moodle. I post the lecture notes on it. I don't think I can show 11, 13 at the same time.
11. Which one?
13. Yeah, put in the chat. So just raise your hand. I'll come to you if you finish, and you can leave. Trisha, you try 2 right there. Mhm. You're welcome.